Hey, it's Abraham with Body Fitness. I always send out emails, weekly emails to our members, giving them health tips and so forth. I know recently I sent out several recipes for breakfast ideas, and one of them was a savory sweet potato muffin. I was making this mix today, and I realized I didn't have the tins for making muffins, so I ended up putting it in this glass one. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to be the first time I've ever had this. I'm going to give it a try, see if I like it, and let you have an idea if it's any good or not. But I got really weird taste buds. It actually tastes good. It's kind of got a little bit of a bland taste to it, but it's actually good. It's something I would definitely eat. Anyway, this is what it looks like after I tore into it a little bit. It's got a lot of good ingredients in there. It's got a lot of balanced ingredients. If you're interested in this recipe, email me at bfit92@gmail.com and ask for savory sweet potato muffins. I did put this in the email, but it was all part of 15 other recipes, and I thought I would give this one a try. It's not too bad, easy to make. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want the recipe. Thank you.